guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to sit down and show you guys how I plan my meals for the week. I haven't done this in a while, so I was really excited to sit down and look through Instagram and find what I'm gonna eat. So what I do is I literally just go on my phone. I plan my meals Monday through Friday, and then the weekend comes and I kind of usually have enough food for the weekend. So Monday through Friday I write down on a piece of paper like this, and then, or you can do it on your phone on like an app, and then I write what I want. So I'm gonna go through Instagram, find Weight Watcher people that have really good recipes or recipes I've been wanting to try, and I write down dinner, and then I kind of plan out what I would want for lunch, and I kind of eat lunch more than once. Okay, so I found all the recipes I wanted on Pinterest today actually. So what I do is just I go down and I write it all out. Tonight I'm gonna have meatloaf, and then I'm gonna buy eggs for snack, and then I want like a chicken salad sandwich for lunch all week. So I'm gonna have quesadillas, chicken fajitas, taco salad, sloppy joe, grilled cheese, and egg roll in a bowl. So that's what I picked. I don't know what day of the week I'm gonna have what, but over on my board over here, this is where this comes in handy. I bought a board for my fridge, and it's magnetic. What I do is with marker, I got this at Walmart by the way, I just write out like meatloaf, chicken fajitas, just every day of the week what I'm gonna eat, and then I stick to that. It's super simple, super easy. So when I get back, I'll show you guys what I got for the recipes I'm gonna have for dinner this week. Hi you guys, welcome back to another grocery haul. I just got some stuff for the week, and the next week we pretty much didn't have any groceries because we went on vacation last couple weeks ago, and I just kind of haven't been to the grocery store to get some groceries, so I stocked up on a lot of stuff. What I'm going to be showing you is all from Walmart, so if you see anything that you really like, just know it's all from there. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, so this is everything I got. Over here I got some baby spinach, tricolor coleslaw, and 2 bags of shredded lettuce. Of course I got my Sprite Zero, so good. Ore-Ida hash browns, cottage cheese, and I have eggs. That'll be my one of my lunches for this week. And then I got some cinnamon bread for lunch this week. This just looked so good. I didn't get the one with raisins because it kind of grosses me out. So I got that, and then to put on top I got cream cheese spread. This is brown sugar and cinnamon, or just put some light butter on top. That's always really good. And then I got some light buns, some carb counter whole wheat wraps. These Idaho potatoes are so good. I've been eating these since the beginning of my journey. So I got 4 cheese, sour cream and chive, roasted garlic, and butter and herb. Those are all really, really good. And they're only $1. They're pretty much like the Trader Joe's potato rounds, the ones that are frozen. So they're really, really good. I got some chow mein seasoning. I don't know. I'm going to be making egg roll in a bowl this week, and I figure this might be good in it instead of all of that soy sauce. And speaking of that, I got new soy sauce. And then I'm making fajitas this week, so I got hot and spicy taco seasoning mix. I got some more corn, sloppy joe manwich. I got some peppers for fajitas. Let's see, I got some more chicken breast, my favorite in the can. I love this, it's so good. And then I didn't want to make a trip out to Trader Joe's, so I got this. This is only 5 points for a cup, I believe. Half a cup. 1 cup cooked. So this is like a dupe for my Trader Joe's jasmine rice. This is pretty good. I really like this. I got some stovetop lower sodium chicken stuffing. My boyfriend loves that, and I do too, and I just eat a serving, and it's like a half a cup is only like 4 or 5 points, so it's pretty decent. And then I got some movie theater popcorn. I don't know how many points this is. I didn't even look. I should probably have looked. Oh well. No sugar added ketchup. Velveeta, shredded Velveeta for my sloppy joes. And then I got a pound of grapes. And then this is the best extra lean ground beef from Walmart. I got 2 of those. I'm going to make meatloaf with one and sloppy joes with the other. That is actually it for the grocery haul. This board I got from Walmart as well. I'm a Walmart whore, I guess. But yeah, this is a magnet and it just sticks on the fridge. I absolutely love this. Or actually, I don't know if it's a magnet. I think I actually just stuck it right on the fridge. I think it was just stickies. But I did, when I first started, I did this all the time. So Sunday through Saturday, I would write down everything we're having for dinner. So tonight we're gonna have sloppy joes. Tomorrow we're going to Jason's mom's. Tuesday I'm thinking meatloaf. Wednesday egg roll in a bowl, and then Thursday I might have fajitas, depending. So then I know what I'm making for dinner and I don't have to think about it. So this is super nice. You know, you can even write your lunch, and then if you work, you come home and you have it, you know, if you work Monday through Friday, I don't know, it's super nice. I just really love that, and it really works. I literally plan out my meals always, and then I see the weight shred. So that's what I'm praying for this week. I am going to the fair Friday and Saturday, but I'm gonna try to limit that and just share things and just, yeah. Also, if you guys are wondering, these cat butt magnets, if you've seen them, if you were wondering, I got them for my best friend. I think they're from Marshall's, I'm not sure, but they're so cute. They're just little kitty butts. But yeah, so that is how I plan my week. I write everything out, plan it, plan, helps you lose weight. So I am going to put everything away, and I will see you guys on the next video. I hope that you liked it. If you do, remember to please give it a thumbs up, and I will do more of these videos, and subscribe. I'd love to have you guys stick around. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.